Hello, guys. Good day. Thank you for watching the Career Podcast on YouTube and listening to us on Spotify. So, I'm Brian. Today, I'm joined by Vic. Say hi, Vic.
Hello and good day, everybody.
And as you can see, there's a special guest joining us
Yes, we
today.
have a special. Grabe. Grabe,
Champion
pogi na
on.
special guest natin. Pogi na special
He,
guest
he
natin.
raises the he raises the face card level of the
Oo,
show.
oo,
Ay,
medyo
no,
ano.
grabe yan. Grabe yan.
So,
Kinukuking
yeah.
na agad ako. Kinukuking na.
So yes, we have Earl Abadam with us. Of
Yeah.
course, thank you, Earl, for joining us.
Thank you,
For
Earl.
taking
Yeah.
your
Thank you,
time.
thank you.
Yeah. So
My pleasure.
as you may have known, if you've read the headlines this week, apart from the volleyball, there's also a UAP finals that LaSalle played, and it's the TXT finals. And
Mhm.
yeah, it's good that LaSalle won this championship for the third straight time. And for Earl, this is your second, if I believe
Mhm.
so.
Mhm.
And that adds to one championships of 5-on-5 and two championships in the 3-on-3. So
Yes.
that's an accomplishment I can say that not many have done. Siguro si Kevin and si
Mm.
CJ lang kapantay ni Earl. Or si Polly din ba? I think silang dalawa lang kasi si Polly was not in the first edition. So
Yep.
yeah, he's in a
Si F ba?
very... Was F with you last season? I
No
can't
pa. It
remember.
was
Yeah.
Wala pa, wala. Di, ano pa
Yeah,
pala, yung una pala
I
sila.
think so. Si Kevin, si CJ, and si Earl now. So they're three in that
Yan.
club. Yeah,
Yeah.
that at least has a
Rare,
championship
rare
in
breed.
both.
Rare breed.
Yes. Wala pa naman nakaulit. It's 3-peat for Lasal. It's
grabe
starting to
history.
become a dynasty. So that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the 3-on-3 championship of the Green Archers as well as their upcoming preparations. Ang haba na to kasi May na ngayon. So we're just 4 months away from the season and
Mhm.
preparations are thick and
Diyos ko,
fast
ang bilis.
for our Green Archers.
Bilis.
Yeah.
Bilis talaga.
And after that, we're going to have a small preview of the NU LaSalle finals. We're not gonna put pressure on Earl. We're gonna let him go after we talk about the
Yeah, no
basketball.
worries.
Maipit si Earl eh. Mahirap
No
na.
worries, no worries.
Yeah, but
Bigla mag-predict ng
that's what
volleyball si Earl.
yeah, that's what's coming up on the show today. So let's get the ball rolling.
Sir.
Before we get into the 3-on-3, let's have some few icebreaker questions lang for Earl.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
wag kang mag-alala about this question, the first one, kasi feeling ko naman you'll not get a lot of, baka mamaya security problems sa'yo. But what's your favorite building or tambayan spot in BLSU?
Yuchenko. Agad. Yuchenko Tambayan. In front of
Sa
the
baba, sa baba.
yes, sa baba. In front, like in the auditorium, and then
Yeah,
all the with the trees and just fresh air. Fresh air. You have a
definitely. I also like that
that's my
spot,
Tambayan.
actually.
Ako,
Yeah,
I
Able to
like that
visit there,
when it
right?
was the old gym eh.
Oh, di ko
Yeah,
naabutan.
because kasi that's where the old gym was located eh. Yung dating court was there.
I heard that the Henry C building that's up ngayon, before that was a football field, diba?
Yes,
I heard
yes,
football
yes,
field.
yes. Yep.
Football
yeah.
field yun.
Unfortunately,
Grabe.
it became, they started construction when I was a frosh. So parang I never experienced the football field as well. Yeah, but
Yun.
that's also a nice
Okay.
spot now. I think a lot of students also choose to hang out there because it's
Yes,
also
for sure.
breezy and vibes. But yeah, Yuchenko is a
Mhm.
good choice. How about favorite restaurant around Taft?
Good munch. Good
Mm,
munch, Agno. Good munch is very
Ah.
good. Go
ang tagal
to.
na rin yung good munch. I remember even in college, when I was in college, I
Yeah.
don't want to reveal my age, but yeah,
Yeah, but
it's it's been
Agno is always a good spot.
I like
Agno
I
good.
like to reveal my age. Yung Agno dati, wala pang ganyan. Wala pa yan
true,
dati.
true.
so, so what was that before? What was that before? Is it-
Wala. Parang ano lang siya,
Wala.
Earl. It's really a piece of, parang it's a closed establishment lang dati. Ano lang siya. Sarado lang yata siya o part ng Agno House din dati, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tapos,
But yung
yung
dorm
mga
namin, it's
vendors
always been
doon,
there, no?
yes. Ang ano
Tama.
nun, yung mga nagtitinda doon, it's on the street already. Hindi sila doon sa kung asan sila ngayon. It's on the outside. dati. Yun yung itsura
That's
niya before.
Mm-hmm.
How about favorite subject?
Favorite subject? Oh, I think it has to be one that I'm gonna be taking now. Spirituality. Spirituality one. Syempre, you guys
Deep
know me.
and deep. Yes, yeah.
Yeah. You guys know me. I'm more in touch with my faith, ganun. So, learning about that has really helped me become a better person, better man.
Yeah, I remember during my frosh years then, well, not really just frosh years, theology subjects. Yeah, it's also
Theology.
one of those na when I took it, parang, oof, it's quite
It
a
keeps you in check. It
Keeps you in
kinda
check.
keeps you
Exactly.
balanced. Keeps you balanced from your
Totoo.
others,
Yes.
from your other
Yes.
Yeah,
or from your other academic na load mo
true.
pang
But
balance
yeah, guys, grabe. I'm gonna be finishing very soon next year na. But it's just it's so surreal because I remember just starting in the
Oh, diba?
bubble my first
Yeah.
term and then grabbing it's
Kuya
so
ka na,
quick.
Earl.
Oo nga
Kuya
eh.
ka na.
Oo nga, bilis talaga. Bilis.
Yeah.
Kuya ka na,
Bilis
Earl.
ng panahon.
Tama.
It's
Like,
it's flying by really quickly. Let's go
for
to
sure.
the locker room talk. So
Locker room.
sino yung favorite mapagsabihan ni Coach Lopez? If you're gonna reveal
Sabihan.
names.
Ang pagsabihin. I would say I'm there as well. I'm there.
Ah,
Me, EJ. Who else? Yeah, me and EJ. Me and EJ. Me and EJ. Me and
and
EJ.
how about yung DJ ng locker room? Like who likes to
Jacob
play music?
Cortez.
Jacob
Jacob
Cortez.
Oh.
Cortez. Jacob Cortez. He's always bumping music. He's always asking for the speaker. Always bringing the
Oo,
vibes.
oo.
So, yan,
Bluetooth
yan.
Bluetooth. Siya yung una
Bluetooth.
nagko-connect ng Bluetooth.
Oh, yep. Saan yung speaker? Ako na. Yeah.
How about yung player na mahilig mag-joke in the locker room? Like who
I
makes
think
the
lahat,
lahat?
but Mike is up there. Mike,
Oh,
so
really?
funny si Mike.
Si
Oh,
Mike?
Mike.
Di halata, ha? Di halata, ha?
Yeah, Mike said when he's just being goofy, when he's being himself, Mike's up there. Also, EJ's up there. Um, Ethan Alian is up there.
Oh, okay.
But all of us talaga were I think we're so close as a team na it's just pure vibes lang where we can just be ourselves. No one's really holding back. No one's really trying to like have a mask upon it. We're just our authentic selves. Ganun. Yeah.
Actually, Earl,
Makes
halatang
sense.
halata pag yung mga POG interview sa Pinoy Liga eh.
Oo nga eh. You guys like that? You guys see those, no?
Oh,
Yes.
sobrang kulit.
It's one of the highlights. Actually, I think many people will wish
Nag-aantay kami.
Panalo dapat Lasal so that we can see that POG.
Oo, para may interview eh. Para yung pati interview inaabangan sa dulo eh.
Yeah. Parang, wait, we're just waiting muna. And then once they start the interview, then tara. We go behind them. We start joking around. We start laughing.
Ang kulit, sobra.
Yeah.
And the last of our long but really fun icebreaker na question, who impressed you the most the first time you saw them train sa Lasal? As someone na matagal ka na in the team, like you would have seen a lot of new faces as well. Who impressed you the most? The first, yung made the strongest first impression?
I can say two names, Evanelli and Justin Baltazar. Those are the two names na when I first came in, parang na starstruck ako kasi I'm really training against them. I'm really seeing them up close and personal, how they really train, how they go about their day-to-day lives. I was with them in the bubble and then yun, just inspired me talaga.
Grabe, those are actually two excellent players that represent LaSalle
No,
really
sure.
well. Speaking of representing LaSalle really well,
For sure.
yes, let's talk about the 3-on-3 now. Earl, you've had a rocky start with the team to start this campaign, as in it's not a record you guys wanted to have to start with.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Can you share us how was it like to start the campaign? What made it difficult or what made it challenging for the team to
So yeah,
begin this
what
season?
made it difficult was that we're the first group that started was basically new to the concept of 3x3. We were they the ball, the court, the speed, how we're playing in the 3x3. Those were the things that we had to really adjust in the first few games. And then kita naman na we were in the first 3 games, we were still adjusting. We were still trying to, kasi iba sa 5-on-5 eh. It's 5-on-5 where there's more structure. Pero pag
Yeah.
3x3, it's pabilisan. It's okay, you get the rebound, take it out, attack agad. And then constant, walang breaks. Walang breaks. So ayun, in the first 3 games, it was just it was an adjustment period. And syempre, I wasn't there because I had experience from 3x3 last year. I was just trying to show them that it's okay. We have to take it step by step because this is something that we're still gonna have to get used to. And after once nasabi na ko, now we went on a roll. We were just able to really start to find our groove. Ganun. Yeah.
Alam ko kanina nung pre-prod before Earl joined us, you were wondering about one or two things. Maybe it's a good time for you to ask that.
Alin? Yung ano kayo, Earl, I think yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina ng pre-prod, this season's lineup, it was glaring there's no legit bigs. Kasi basically, si Raven wala na, si Kevin wala na. Henry is also injured. I'm not sure if Bright is eligible. And then definitely Mike needs some rest. So parang it's guards and wing. Ang ano ko is how did you guys adapt and adjust na you'll be playing with this kind of a lineup as compared to your lineup last season that you won the title na may bigs kayo eh. So I mean with si Polly, tama ba? Si Polly
and Aaron.
And tama, si Aaron nandun eh. So what was the change? Ano yung naging approach nyo going into this season na yun nga, guards and wing kayo na magko-compete?
So yeah, ayun. The first few games we had, it was against NU, Adamson, syempre mabibigat, Palacielo, what's big on Adamson?
Si Manzano.
Manzano. They're heavy, and so ayun, all guards that we were just outsized, but we had to find our strength in, okay, we're gonna be faster, we're gonna be able to switch harder, switch up, guard them one-on-one. We're gonna be able to basically contain the ball. But once it gets into the post, okay, that's where we're gonna have problems. So how do we iwas? How do we stray away from that? We're gonna have to guard one-on-one. Try our best guarding one-on-one, not letting them get into the post.
So yeah, you mentioned NU and Adamson. I think those were the first two losses. So the adjustments came when there were more games. I think there was a game against Ateneo where you really blew them out. But before that, there was also a game against UP where they managed to win. So at that point, what was the mood in the camp like? Was it parang did you pull yourselves together, or was it a case of okay, we still have a shot at it, so let's just keep going? How would you detail that?
Yeah, we're not gonna lie. We definitely felt na kaya pa ba natin to? We're already lost a few games na. How we're gonna make it to the finals? But we were we had to bounce back straight away with, okay, nah, let's not think about that muna. Let's take it one game at a time. How are we're gonna build confidence by, okay, continuing to trust each other with how we're playing. And then ayun, kita naman sa latter half ng eliminations, we were able to really find the connectiveness as a team, and how we're able to groove, how we're able to really stick together once we're really tired. And really.
And then, you earned your shot after beating UE. You made that as the 4 seed. So, by then, you know that it was NU again. So, did it help this time na at least you got to play against them and you already know what to do next time? And it was also not an easy game. I remember NU led early in that semifinal
Ay,
game.
parang 7-1 yata, no, Earl, no?
Yes,
They're up
early
7-1
lead.
eh.
So when we found that now we're gonna be playing NU, then okay. Syempre, I'm not gonna lie. Even though I had experience 3x3 before, kinabahan talaga ako. I was very nervous. I was thinking, okay, we have a shot, but kaya ba natin to? How are we gonna match up against them? This is that. But once we got into the game, and it was an early lead. They started blowing us out. But then that's where the perseverance kicks in. Okay, once it's hard, are we really gonna stick together as a team? We're really gonna pull through, and we were just able to play the best defense we could have. That just we needed this. We wanted this more than they wanted it. That's what.
Kasi clutch,
And when
puro clutch basket na yun lahat eh. When we started, nung naging dikitan na yun laro, wala na eh, clutch baskets. And
It was
I think
trading baskets until the last moment. Parang
yes.
It was...
Oh
But
my
I
gosh,
think-
that was so close na Palacielo had a open.
Yes! Yes!
Pero EJ,
Yeah.
EJ had EJ played such good defense.
Oh,
Shout out
grabe
to
yun.
EJ.
Made it as tough as it would be for Palacielo.
Yes. Oo,
It made it tough.
One thing na I hope Earl won't take offense. Yung traveling calls, because there were, I think, no results. Yeah.
Oh, Earl, what's happening with you there?
Yeah.
Bakit laging may traveling call? Hindi ko gets sa akin hindi ko gets masyado eh.
Before Earl answers, makikita ko lang, you were getting confused as to how they were calling it. So yeah, let's hear from you about it.
Oo nga,
Okay,
sige
so
nga, Earl.
The rule was na so 3x3, they're always going to be favor on the defense. So we're not able to, like, for example, when we catch the ball, we're not able to move straight away, because that gives advantage to the offense. So traveling yun. So okay, in the moment I wanted to get to my spot straight away because I saw na I had Steve Nash on me. So I wanted to, okay, once I get the ball, I'm gonna go straight to the post.
Yes, correct.
Gonna go straight to the post. But then, okay, I was a bit too gigil that it was two consecutive travels in a row. But then once able to get it, okay, we got.
Kahit si Sir Nong sa background, nagtataka rin si Sir Nong, bakit more travel?
Yeah. Grabe.
Kasi kita si Sir Nong sa telecast eh. Sabi ko, pati si Sir Nong nagtataka na bakit ganun yung tawag.
Why is it travel?
Even me watching it sa video, parang what's going on? Ganun.
Yeah. But we were able to
so
adjust.
Yun pala yun. So meron tayong bagong kaalaman with the 3x3 rules. Bawal pala yun. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you went to the final against UST, syempre it's a team that I remember you beat in the first meeting. But of course in the final anything can happen, kasi 'di ba? Natalo tayo.
Knockout game siya.
Them back. Yeah, how was that turnaround? Kasi I think you only had around 2 or 3 hours to prepare. Yeah, and to recover as well, and also to see how UST played. I think it was after our game, their game against Adamson. So we're still able to watch how they played. So how was the preparation in this quick turnaround at sa TX3?
We just knew na they're gonna come out. They're gonna come out with guns blazing. Nah, they're not just gonna hand us the win. Yes, we might have beat them really easy in the eliminations, but then kita naman na they really played their hardest. But so our preparation was okay. We have to stick to what we have been doing best, and that's our defense. Okay, we don't have the CJ Austrias, we don't have the Policarpios, but we have four great defenders in that lineup. We have switchable wings.
Agree.
So
Yes. Yep.
yes, it we may not have that talent anymore, but then we have that cohesiveness as a group, and then it showed out. It showed out final game.
Yeah, that's great. And that means LaSalle wins the third straight UAAP TFC crown. I think the only champion so far in the UAAP. So that the title stays intact. Thank you, Earl, EJ, Doy, Forrest, everyone
And
involved.
JC.
And
Mhm.
JC, yes, of course.
Mhm.
So 5
Oo nga,
players.
no, tama
Uh,
si Earl. Oo nga, everybody.
yeah, because
Tama.
everyone
Tama, it's good to note.
everyone can
Everybody
play.
can play defense eh. Yun. Tama nga. Lahat nga.
And everyone can score too, as we see in
Yes.
Yes.
5 and 5. So
Ano
two-way
sila,
players talaga.
two-way players lahat eh. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, so now that we reflect on that, syempre,
Mhm.
the 3 and PX3 tournament is finished. Now we move on to the intensive preparations for season 8-8. I think everyone in the community knows how much last season stung. Let's not sugarcoat it. It stung losing the
Yes.
Namiss
final,
ko si
especially
Earl
for
eh.
Earl.
Si Earl, namiss ko si
Especially
Earl
for
eh.
Earl, who missed a lot of the second round. Yeah.
Hi.
So
Yeah.
a bit of
Sure.
that, Earl, would you want to share the experience watching from the bench, experiencing
Yeah.
maybe that's the closest you can experience to how we experience it as fans? Kasi, di ba, even if you're part of the team, there's that helplessness that you cannot influence the outcome because you're
Yes.
indirectly because you're not on the court. You can help your teammates out, but it's different, as you know, when you're on the court. So how did it feel for you watching from the sidelines?
Yeah. As you may know, I was injured in the halfway point UST
Yeah.
game,
Yep.
and so seeing the team just continue to handle each game as okay, we're gonna make it to the finals, we're gonna go for this talaga. It really started a fire within me na okay, I'm not out there on the floor, but what can I do to help influence them? So I was just basically a prayer warrior for them. I was just trying to show them that okay, I'm not in any bad spirits just because I'm not out there on the floor. I'm actually more I'm so grateful that I'm able to affect them in a way now. Okay, this is what we're doing here is more than just basketball. We're learning to become young men. We're learning to become people to go out into the community to serve, to care. So yes, it may have been hard na just seeing them lose in the finals, seeing our team lose in the finals, but I believe that we grew even closer through that experience because it just showed us na we have this, we got this, but sometimes things don't roll our way. No.
It's always nice that even in adversity, you're getting you're becoming closer to one another.
Yes, for
And
sure.
really parang ano yan eh, it's the adage that you win together and you lose together. It's really the spirit of the team. So I think si Achax here, he has a question eh. Kasi kanina pa siya na joining us, but yeah,
Yeah.
just listening
Yeah.
to our kwentuhan. So he got kicked
Achax.
out. I think choppy yung line niya
BSN lang
kanina
ako.
eh. But now he's back. I think
Chubby yung line niya,
Oo.
chubby.
Kita ba
Chubby
yung
yung line
video
niya,
ko?
chubby.
Oo, sound. Nakita ba video ko? Ayos
Kita,
lang.
kita.
Sorry,
Oo,
naka-blue
kitang-kita.
ako.
Ayos,
ah.
ayos,
Bala ako
ayos.
sa, siyempre, favorite company ko, Blue Fire, di ba? Kaya naka-blue ako.
So
Ah,
Blue Fire LPG for all your LPG needs. Support Blue Fire. Contact them on social media because they're the brand,
yes.
your trusted brands trust,
Only
diba?
blue,
The
that's
only
right for
blue,
So,
that's
you.
right for us.
Amen.
sige.
Only
Yeah,
blue, that's
sige.
right for
I
us.
think, Chucks, what do you want to ask Earl about this upcoming
Yeah,
daming
oo.
tournaments? I
Then
think
yung,
you have the Asia
sunod-sunod yung
Basket,
mga
you have
tournament.
the
Phil Oil is next week na,
Phil
di ba?
Oil,
After
of
Uh,
the
course.
elections.
Loyal.
Di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
Oo nga
Yeah,
pala.
the
Oo nga. Tapos may
yes.
Wolves
So,
pa.
Whoops.
yeah,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
tournament in
Yeah.
Japan. So, ano
Ikaw
yung tatanong mo,
ba, are
Chuck?
you ready to
May tatanong
become
ka
the
eh.
the team captain? Are you ready?
Yes. So I've just been informed at the start of the year
Ah,
that I'm
yun
gonna
pala
be
eh.
co-captain with Mike. So ayun. Yeah, ayun. I think that's um,
Congratulations.
yeah, very very big step in my career here in LaSalle, but it's not over yet because I still have a lot more work to do, a lot of things to prove, and and how can I give
Yeah,
back to the
and
school
I'd
that has
like
blessed me with so
like to,
much?
uh,
Would you say na proper training yung would you say na proper training na yung 3x3 for the captain, the co-captaincy?
Oh yes, yes for sure. Uh, I think I think that was the biggest test of mental and physical toughness because grabe every day maybe two games or what like games every day tapos you have weights and all that stuff. That's something that we're able to lead by example and show na we want to do this talaga despite the hardships, despite the trials now we may face. This is our purpose. This is what we're blessed to do, and this is what God has given us the opportunity to show na
so
we're
so you'll be
we're in this
co-captain.
moment.
So I ask you now, how do you want to be remembered as a captain of
Yeah.
the team? Oh, captain, my captain.
Hmm. Ooh. Hmm. How do I want to be remembered? Hmm. That's a good question. I think straightforward answer. Someone that showed his love for the school in every single way possible, be it academics, be it sport, be it faith. I want to embody what
Yeah, always
The
remember,
LaSalle name
take care of
holds.
the name in front and we'll take care of the name at the back. We got your back,
Yes,
Amen.
correct.
captain.
Amen.
Yes, definitely. Yeah,
Amen.
yeah. When it comes to the team now, it's really giving us a lot of
Yeah.
pride when we see the players. Kasi, I mean, it's one thing to want the school to win, but when we see the players on the court, it's not just the basketball team across all sports. Parang
Mm-hmm.
we need them to do well because they're doing so much for Lasal. And I think
Mm-hmm.
that's one of the things that we can say about our players and of course to our Green Archers. So yes, catch them
Mm-hmm.
the upcoming tournaments, the Asia Basket semifinals against NU. That's this weekend at the Moro Lorenzo Gym, if I'm not mistaken,
I hate
Yep,
that
yep.
place.
2,
Yep.
2
2 o'clock.
p.m.
2 o'clock.
Yeah. Good luck to Earl. Good luck to Earl and
Yes.
the rest of the Green Archers with that. And then
Yes.
Will
not
be,
not long.
Bray, will be back to back sa Moro kasi sa Sunday din yung battle
Ah,
for third in the finals. So, yun.
Yeah, ayan. So it's a busy weekend. Sanay na si Earl. I just hope
Father's
he
Sanay
Day
na.
yan.
yeah.
Sanay
And
na.
it's a bigger court this time. So
Yep. Bigger
oh yeah,
court.
Mother's Day then. Yeah, so that's always a nice occasion to play at.
Mm-hmm.
And then yeah, like what was mentioned, Phil
Oo.
Oil is just right around the corner. And then Wolves. And then pag natapos na yung Wolves, it's September and then it's UAAP basketball all over.
Grabe.
The grind never
Grabe.
stops from this moment on. But before we let Earl go, let's just ask, upcoming Phil Oil tournament, may particular team or teams ka bang looking forward to measure up against? Yeah, we're gonna put you
Guys,
on the
alam
spot.
nyo na yun. Alam nyo na yun. Alam nyo na yun. Hindi ko
No.
na sasabihin. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Alam
Totoo
nyo na
yan,
yun.
totoo yan.
Yes.
If you know, you
Alam
know.
nyo na yun. If you know, you
Yes.
know.
You
Yun
feel it.
talaga.
You just feel it.
Yep.
Tsaka
Alright, so
It's
who knows
about
if
time.
if you
It's about time.
teammates with someone you were up against last year.
sabi nga nila, maliit lang ang mundo in basketball. Yeah, so
Grabe.
we'll
The
not
ball is round.
comment on that now.
Atap na.
Si Paring Earl. Si Paring Earl. Si Paring Earl. Kamusta si
Are you
Paring
ready
Earl?
to be teammate
Paring
with
Earl
a
talaga
former
eh.
opponent?
Uh,
Hey,
Yun pala. Sige.
I'm ready. I'm here. I'm just here. I'm just here.
Are you ready to become a kuya to a former opponent?
Crazy. Crazy.
Make sure.
and before we
I'm ready.
finally let Earl go, this is your chance, Earl, to send out
Shout out.
invitations and greetings as well. So if you'd like to invite the community and also shout out a few
You
friends
can
and
shout out my
family.
boss.
This is your time.
Oh, yes. Hey, yeah. Shout out to Sir Andoy. Shout out to them and to Brody as well. They have, you guys know that they were the ones that really supported me through this whole journey of becoming a LaSallian, and I'm eternally grateful to them because actually LaSalle was the only school that offered me to come here to the Philippines, and only
We know
UAP
talent
schools.
when we see
So
one.
it's thank you. No, thank you so much to them because I'm able to really immerse myself in the LaSallian culture.
Alright. So catch Earl and the Green Archers in the upcoming months as they prepare for UAP season 88 when we bid for our 11th men's basketball championship. So
Thank
there
you,
we go.
Earl.
Thank you, Earl. And then catch us on the other side of the break. We'll talk about the UAP volleyball finals. Okay, so that was the basketball, and now it's time to talk about another finals coming up
Ito
for
na.
Lasal,
Ito na.
which is the volleyball. Syempre, the game is on Sunday, 5 p.m. That's game 1 for us, so we have an 8-day rest day. Tayo ng NU, of course, coming into this game. We played one set less against NU, but looking at the tail of the tape, we lost twice to this NU team. We first lost in straight sets. First game of the season, that's when we got a lot of overreactions. Then the second loss came first game of the second round. So parang parehong sobrang aga ng games natin against NU. So I'm still joined by Achax and Vic. Sorry dun sa mga nag-abang kung may sasabihin si Earl about volleyball. We'll save him his blushes there. Abangan niya na lang. Baka, let's see, mali mo, mapanood natin siya na
Malay mo.
sometime
Malay mo.
nanonood ng volleyball.
Malay niyo.
But for now, at least we're gonna keep this among us muna. So yes, I'm gonna ask muna si Vic since he wasn't able to join us in the previous volleyball episode. So Vic, when we beat UST twice, how much confidence was it for us na going into the finals? Because I think we all admit that when we were entering this playoff series with UST, we aren't as upbeat in facing the Tigresses. But now, having beaten UST twice and a UST team that pushed NU twice in the elimination rounds, what can you say about our chances at least against this NU team?
I think wala ka nang pwedeng itago siguro dito kung meron ka mga adjustments. I'm not too sure how many gaano kalawak pa yung adjustments na pwede mong gawin. And I think apart from yung kumpiyansa natin na winning two straight matches against UST nitong playoffs, I think it really helped us a lot. Medyo malaki yung bearing na mabibigay niya sa atin going into this final series, especially with how Coach Ramil approached that series. Kasi di ba yung playoff for number 2, halos lahat na gamit, binigyan ng chance to play. It really, ang hirap i-predict kung anong gagawin natin kasi halos lahat nakapaglaro eh. And sa sobrang lito na binibigay mo sa kalaban mo pagdating ng next game naman natin nitong last Saturday nga ba. Yeah. Ayun siya. Nag-work wonders na rin eventually kasi I think the only set na basically second set nag-let down lang tayo but I think we could have won it on in 3 straight sets kung yung focus ng 1, 3, and 4 na sets na bit-bit natin nung second set. So, I think yung unpredictability factor, yan yung magdadala sa atin going into this final series against NU. Which is also yun din naman yung factor ni NU. Ang dami ding pwedeng puntahan ng bola. Ang dami ding players that can attack. So, I think we should be able to match or kailangan nating higitan yun for us to get games in this final series. Pero yun nga, same thing. Best approach is one game at a time lang muna. Let's not get ahead. So let's just focus on game 1 on Sunday and take it from there.
Yeah, it's a good mindset to have. Chucks, before I ask you, una,
Yes.
she uses Happy Skin. So, we're inviting our fellow Lasal fans. Check out Happy Skin. You know, you need a tool to rejuvenate your skin kasi summer and then may times na maulan pa bigla, 'di ba? Pupuho, so parang maputulog yung mo, yung facial health, yung skincare health dyan. So, Sabi Skin is a great way to keep your skin in good shape. And kaya ko nabanggit yun kasi who are you watching out for this NU team? Sino yung, alam na natin yung names, pero ikaw, gusto ko i-fish sa'yo. Sino yung inaabangan mo na kailangan natin
dahil maganda. And then,
ay, iba yata yan. Ibang member ata ng team natin yan.
Pero may nakita ako na naka-Lasal shirt yung 2 beses nag-M. Ano ba?
Sino yan? Si Kevin Kiambao ba yan? Dalawang na Kevin, sabi mo eh.
Maganda yan.
Anyway, go on.
Just to, add to lang dun sa sinabi ni Vic. Uso yan, di ba? Build. May mga, dyan. Ito, ang kailangan nating, yung error. Kasi, yung kung titignan mo yung mga games na naka 4 sets tayo, kung ilan yung error, katumbas ng isang set So, kung hindi natin nang masyadong ganong karami, baka hindi rin umabot ng 4 sets. So, go by the stats, di ba? Pero, sabi nga, to error is human. But to recover from that is divine. So, sana meron tayong divine intervention sa laro sa Sunday. Dahil, that will be the big challenge. That will spell the difference. Yung error natin na Okay lang yung mga, yung mga kargadong services. Wala. Ganun talaga. Kasi kargado yan. So, yan, high risk, high
okay risk lang. Talaga siya. Sugal talaga siya.
Yeah, that's what Mika Esperanza said as well, diba? Nung nag-join siya sa atin recently.
Talagang ibang baka sakaling na-avoid pa natin, di ba? So, yun. Hopefully, ma-address yun. And, tawag dito, may precedent na rin naman na 2 beses tayo natalo ng elims pero pagdating ng finals, wow, kaya tayong beses
dalawang remarkable case yan. 2007 yung year na yan, yung 2 is greater than 3 at saka or 2 is greater than your 2. Yung isang school niyan, blue, yung isang school niyan, red. So may inspiration. Pero sa volleyball ata wala kasi usually nananalo tayo bihira tayo ma-sweep ng
Oo
ng kalaban.
Bihira mangyari yan. Bihira mangyari. Yan,
Yan
tama,
din. Yan din.
tama.
And
Tama
syempre,
naman.
dadagdag yan pa sa isang story ni Coach Ramil. Actually, we haven't really checked yung buong records niya, but I think this would be one of the remarkable feats of Coach Ramil kung makuha niya yung 2 wins
Sobra.
against MU. Kasi
Sobra.
I think this is the first time in recent memory na makakalaban niya sa final
Ah,
season na
oo.
hindi niya pa natalo sa LMs na magcha-championship. I think season 84 yung last time, but that was a really remarkable season by NU. So that's the only time I think na hindi na nagawa matalo yung kalaban sa finals. Let's look at who we are up against. Vic, we all know the threat of Bella Bella and Eliza Solomon. Who do you think NU's X Factor will be and why?
Si Vanch. Si Vanch Alinsug yung kasi actually sa GC pinag-uusapan naman natin to. Sa kanya ako takot apart from Bella and kay Solomon kasi rin siya pag maganda yung set ni Lamina, mabilis din siyang makapalo. And siguro yung libero ng NU si Hardio kasi she's also good. So nakakahabol din lahat ng bola pag nasa likod siya. So, yun yung ko dun. I think yung dalawang yun yung maging X factors ni NU going into this series. So, it will be important na kung malimit mo if siguro 2 out of the 3 malimit natin in this final series, malaking bagay na siya.
How about you, Achax, sa side naman natin sa Lasal? We all know that Angel, Canino, Shavana Laput are always there in terms of offensive production. And then, we see sometimes it's Aliyah, we see sometimes it's M, we see sometimes it's BBG,
Baby G.
pa nga. So, who do you project would really start? Kumanta pa si Achax. So, who do you expect to step it up sa final sa game 1? And what inspires you to say na ganun yun?
Oo nga, biglang may...
Yeah,
Kala ko may breaking, may post ng bago.
Anyway, go on. Mag-ingat ka lang, baka mamaya. Anyway, go on. Who are you expecting to step up to help Angel and Shavana provide our
provide? Ayun, sinabi mo na, provido. I think inunahan mo lang ako.
Keyword no?
Pero ako feeling ko may magic bonus pa yan si Ramil is Ramil and he has yung niya he still has tricks up his sleeves.
Sabi nga ng Take Aim, the closest team or person that has more finals champion si Boom na. In the final for the year, baka balikan tayo ng mga volleyball fans. Oo. Kaya dapat lagi tayo nasa finals kasi si Boom recently lagi nasa finals. So, it has to be a gap that has to be maintained. Baka mamaya dikit na.
Oo naman. Mind the gap.
Ako, ang iniisip kong X factor in the series is our setting. It's always been the big question mark from game 1 to game 16. People have been iffy about it. Mixed reviews. Some are okay, some are not. And that would be fair to our setters. Okay naman performances nila. I think the demand to excel or to do more is just a reflection of the standard of the team kasi syempre may mga criticisms na medyo out of line, but kung ako yung players, di ko napapansinin yun. I think generally, kung may dissatisfaction with how they've been playing, it's just because there's always been a standard. And I think I would say this naman for the players then for Juliana, for Nicole, and even for Ella. It's always an accepted risk. Parang sabi nga ni Mika, ang hirap maging setter for Lasal. Kasi if kailangan mong gawin.
The bar is so high.
The bar is so high and that's how we like it. Alam nila yan when they committed to the Lasal program. That's always
Correct.
going to be the standard. And kung ayaw
Embrace
mo,
nila
the
dapat
door
yun.
is open. Oo, pero I don't think they will choose to leave anymore. Una, ang hirap ng residency rule. Pangalawa,
Yeah,
I
correct.
mean, it's always nice to be under Coach Ramil. Ayan, so parang, I think ito, they've already proven. I think kung may doubts, at least they've already proven at this point that they can make the finals. So, they are a finals caliber team. And I think that's a key going to this series na dapat may tiwala sila sa sarili nila to
Correct.
maximize their teammates' strengths and at the same time have that agility mentally para alam mo yun yung kung know when to set the ball or know when to go to your wings, know when to go to your blockers. Kasi right now, like, I remember what Perty said nung first 3 games. Medyo hilaw pa yung dynamics ng team eh. But now, 16 games in and let's just say 10 of those 16 games were really challenging. Dapat ano na tayo, pulido na tayo. And I think there have been enough sets played by our team to really know what works and what doesn't work. And sa finals, you put your best foot forward and if that's the best you can get, you play the game with no regrets na eh. Kasi kung you played your best and it just so happened that maybe the opponent is superior, you can accept that. The fans will accept that because they know that nalaro mo naman yung best mo eh. And just leave it out there. Kasi if may tinatago ka pa, like what just Vic said, then it's not the right time to do that. Just really
Kasi ano ko definitely putting some changes at this point parang ako to be honest it will be futile kasi wala ka ng room to pag hindi yan pag nag-backfire yan at hindi yan gumana wala ka ng room to adjust kasi finals na to wala nang next round dito yun yung dyan pati I think ang doon what's good for us is I think tawag dito given yung ginawa ni Coach Ramil no playoff for number 2 parang it really gave everybody confidence talaga na at kumbaga you have to be ready at any at given time kasi
dapat
for sure
yung
makakalaro ka and be able to
dapat yung mindset mo dyan parang Tonggits. Walang second place sa Tonggits.
Tama.
That's a good way at
Ilaban mo na kasi nandiyan ka na eh. I mean andiyan ka na sa position na yan.
Hanggang sa huling barahan.
Huwag mo nang pakawalan.
That's true.
Yep.
So, with that, we will not offer
gusto ko mag-predict.
Yeah, that's because gusto mo ba magbigay? Sige. I think we have time for that. And this extra time is brought to us by Ibarra Watches. Check out their Trofeo White and Trofeo Green collections along with other collections. The Ibarra social media pages and their website where you can also order Trofeo White, Trofeo Green. You can check it out at the DLSA office. Since we have extra time from Ibarra.
Hangin pa natin.
Anong prediction mo?
Na fun podcast tayo kung hindi ko rin naman ipe-predict na magcha-champion tayo. So, yun.
Siyempre. I mean, shout out pala yan sa poll natin.
Yun na prediction ko dyan.
Go.
3.
Hindi, pero in 2 ba o in 3? Okay. Yung game 1 sa atin ba o sa kanila?
Makatanongin niyo pa sino yung 2 tsaka 3.
So, game 2 sa kapila. Sabi mo 3 eh. Yeah. So far, the poll on YouTube has 98 respondents and 87% believe that LaSalle will win the championship. Hati lang kung 2 o 3. Hati lang kung 2 o 3. How about you, Vic? Hati ba tayo? 3 si Chucks eh. Do you think it's a 3-game series or a 2-game series?
Ako, it will be if we win game 1, it will be a 2-game series. But if we lose game 1, definitely we'll win it in 3. Kasi ang ko doon, if we win game 1,
boss,
malaking dagok yun for NU. So yun yung doon. Yun yung I don't think they have time to react on 3 days time kasi Sunday game 1, Wednesday game 2 eh. So if they lose on a Sunday, I think it will be it will be kahit sabihin mo na meron silang magandang chemistry, it won't be that easy for them to
Sa pre-season, di ba natalo
mentally
natin?
going into the game 2.
Ay, siya lang ba yun?
Isang best S yata. If I
Shigis. Sa
Yeah.
Shigis.
Right. And yeah, so dapat doon na lang yung venue pala. Baka doon yung best to win. Oh, lakad lang. From the door malapit sa Agno, lakad lang. Ang prediction ko lang is, yeah, I agree with what you're saying. Pero sige, to have a bit different spin. I think NU will win game 1 and then mabibigla natin sila sa game 2 and then ma-shock sila sa system sa game 3. So, a mix of what you said. Just to have that balance. I mean, at the end of the day, we all said Lasal will win. Mag-aabang na ako ng NU comments sa baba and let's see kung may mga fans yung NU kung
wala akong
silang fans o kung totoo man silang fans o troll farm lang sila. Baka may troll farm din yung NU pala.
Asan yung troll farm niyan? Saan yan located? Saan yan located?
Troll farm. Like and subscribe and hit the notification button.
Bago kayo mag-comment, bago kayo baka manalo kayo sa
next giveaway natin.
Oo.
Abangan nyo na lang kung anong item yan. Alright,
so pag yung troll farm sa abroad, sorry na lang kasi baka yung price hindi namin maipadala sa inyo.
Kailangan na lang Parang yung mga promo lang to sa US contiguous United States. Hanggang lang yung scope.
Brian na ayan.
Ayun, okay lang, medyo wala namang Alright, so that's all the time we have for today.
Wala ka sa dulo.
Yeah, kaya kailangan na natin tapusin.
Yes.
Ayan, so that's all the time we have for today. Thank you, Achax, thank you, Vic, and of course, if you missed the part earlier, thank you, Earl. He was talking about Lasal
Thank
basketball.
You, Earl.
And then we talk about Lasal volleyball. And just one more thing before we finish the episode. Sorry about the DLSC baseball team for finishing second. Still appreciate your efforts. It was a great season.
Pero good fight.
Lost game 2 to the NU Bulldogs. So babawian na lang natin sila sa volleyball. We lost that game 2 in Willie's favorite score. Kaya ako siya sasabihan. Yeah, 6 runs to 9.
9-6.
9 daw talaga. Yeah, so 6 runs to 9. We lost against NU.
Talo na pero panalo pa rin. Parang gano'n na.
Yes, for Willie at least. Yeah, consolation prize.
Para kay Willie.
Yeah. Yeah, so we still congratulate the Green Batters for season well done. Hindi madali umabot ng finals. So yeah, there you have it. The only remaining tournaments right now for UAP are the volleyball and the demonstration esports. So check them out. Support the Lasal teams as we always do. And Achax, as we always say,
Animo Lasal! Prayer!
Animo Lasal, prayer!